In this tutorial, we will learn how to use a Mosquitto MQTT broker. Mosquitto provides a free broker with full MQTT v3.1.1 support that can be installed on any device. This means you will have full control without relying on third-party servers. The disadvantage in using Mosquitto is that it isn't as intuitive as other brokers, and some of its capabilities require a bit of work. Even then, you will find out it is still quite simple to get working. Let's go to the download page. Here you can find all the information you need to install Mosquitto. After the installation is done, we can immediately proceed to run it. Open the command prompt or your system's equivalent. You should run it as an administrator to make sure it can access all files it needs to. Navigate to the folder Mosquitto is installed in. If we type mosquitto-v, it will run with all of the default settings. We can stop it by pressing Ctrl+C or closing the command prompt. The shortcut is probably different outside of Windows. To configure our broker, we need to use a .conf file. There should be one in the Mosquitto folder already, named mosquitto.conf. Here we can see there are a lot of comments. They explain what each command does and also provide the command ready to be uncommented. If you're interested, you can read this, or you can look for the documentation on the Mosquitto site. For simplicity, I will delete everything, but I recommend you keep the comments in case you need them. Once we have configured it, we can use the command mosquitto-c mosquitto.conf-v to tell the broker we want to use this file as the configuration file. We will do this later. Now we will discuss a few important commands you should know about. To allow your broker to be accessed from a network, you need to type the line listener TCP port IP address. TCP port is the port number to listen to, default 1883. IP address is the IP address of the broker. It needs to match one of the network interfaces on your device. In your Winlog application, you must put the port in TCP port and the IP address as the broker host. If you don't include this line, the broker will only be able to communicate with clients hosted by the same device. You can include multiple listener lines. To tell the broker that we want clients to be authenticated using a password file, we use the following lines. Allow anonymous false, password file, password file. We also need to generate a password file. To generate a password file, use the following command. Mosquitto password-c password file username, replacing username with the username you want. You will be asked to enter the password. If you want to add more, use Mosquitto password file username. If you want to delete a user, use Mosquitto password-d password file username. We can put these credentials in the Use Client Authentication field of our Winlog channel configuration. Now that we have configured everything we wanted, we can run Mosquitto. We will use MQTT Explorer to test. MQTT Explorer is a free MQTT client that's very easy to install. You can find the link in the description. Now we will see it working alongside Winlog. This is a Winlog application that changes the value of a single topic. Here you can see our value has been received by the client. We can also do the opposite and send the value from the client to Winlog. As you can see, the value has changed in the Winlog application as well. Thank you for watching. This was just a basic tutorial. If you would like to learn more about Mosquitto, you can take a look at their website. For more information about Winlog, you can browse our site at www.sialcosistemi.com or send us an email at info@sialcosistemi.com. All the links can be found in the description. We will see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day.